Hi students, so this is a fourth video that we are going to making, right. This is a topic about progressions, and in that progressions we already come across the nth term of arithmetic progression, and then we are going to see in this video the sum of n terms of an AP. So how can we find the sum of given terms? The formula of sum of the given terms we are going to see in this video, right. Before going to see that, we are let us see one example here. So one mother is accumulating some amount every month gradually, and she is increasing the amount every month. See, let us take, she deposited 1000 rupees in the first month, and then 1500 in the second month, and then 2000 in the third month. Like that she is going on depositing the money up to 12 months. So how much the money she will get at the end of the year. So this is what the realistic problem that we face every day. So the scientist, the mathematician called Carl Friedrich Gauss, is a German mathematician who found the formula for this sum of n terms. So at the age of 10 years he found this formula. So once he was asked this question, what is the sum of first n natural numbers? Okay, that question was solved by Carl Friedrich Gauss in a easy manner at the age of 10 years. Okay, how he solved this problem? Let us see once. So this is represented with S. S is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and up to so on 100. So he wrote this one in a reverse manner, that is reverse of S, that is 100 plus 99 plus 98 and so on up to 1. So these both are same, we know that. Okay, and then what he has done, he add these two, S and S. So what will happen if we add these two? S plus S, that is 2S, 100 plus 1, that is 100 plus 1, 99 plus 2, 98 plus 3 and 1 plus 100 and so on. If we add these two, so magical thing will happen that every term will get the same. See here, 100 plus 1, that is 101, 99 plus 2, 2S is equals to 100 plus 1, that is 101, 99 plus 2, that is also 101, 98 plus 3, that is also 101, and finally 1 plus 100, that is also 101. So how many times this 101 is repeating? That is 100 times it is repeating. So we can write like this: 2S is equals to 100 into 101. So if we want to find the value of S here, we have to transpose 2 to the RHS, that is 100 into 101 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100, that is 50 into 101, that is equals to S is equals to 5050 we got here. So let us see, already we know that the terms in AP that we learned earlierly, so that is they are A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the common form of arithmetic progression. So what is the formula for sum of n terms? Sum of n terms formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for sum of n terms. So what is meant by Sn? Sn means by sum of n terms, sum of n terms. So already we know that n is a number of terms, a is a first term and D is a common difference. If we know these terms, we can easily find out the sum of n terms. So this sum of n terms is also written as Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. How can we draw this one? Let us see, Sn is equals to n by 2. So 2a can be write as a plus a. 2a can be write as a plus a, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So we know that a plus n minus 1 into D is nothing but nth term. So we can write like this: Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. An means nth term. So, in other words we can write like this, San is nothing but this is a last term, last term. So, Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L. So, L is a last term. If we know the last term and first term, we can use this formula. So, if we do not know the last term, we can use this formula. Okay. Okay students, let us going to see solve some problems in exercise 6.3. So, in that first bit is given like this, find the sum of 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. We have to find the sum of 10 terms here. Okay. So, for that what we have to do, let us write given arithmetic progression is 2, 7, 12 and up to so on. So, if we want to find the sum of some terms, what we have to know? We have to know at least 3. Let us see first term, common difference, and then how many terms we have to find, that is n, we have to know n. So, here a is given, d is given and n is also given. So, a is 2, already we know that first term is 2, difference is we know that 7 minus 2 or 12 minus 7, that is 5, common difference is 5, and how many terms we have to find, sum of how many terms we have to find is 10, n is equals to 10. Then what is the formula? Already we come across this one, Sn is equals to sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the values a, d and n in the given formula here. So, Sn means how many terms, sum of the how many terms we have to find here is 10. So, let us write 10 here in place of n, okay, is equals to 10 by 2 into 2a, 2a means 2 into a value is 2 here, let us substitute in place of a, let us substitute 2 here, plus 10 minus 1, n value is 10. So, 10 minus 1 into the common difference is 5. Let us multiply these two. So, that divide here, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So, 5, 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 5 here. So, 5, 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So, 45 plus 4, that is 49. So, 49 into 5, that is 245. So, the sum of 10 terms in the given AP is 245. Like this you can solve the first bit here. Okay. Okay, let us see the next bit, second bit here. This is somewhat different from the first bit. Let us see, find the sums 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to so on 10. So, we have to find the sum of these terms here. Okay. Let us see what is given. Given AP is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to so on 10. Now, we have to write what is given in the AP. What is given in the AP? First term is given, A is equals to 34 and then D is given 32 minus 34, 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. So, that the common difference is minus 2, and one more given is last term is given, last term is given, already we discussed this one. Last term is nothing but nth term and also denoted with L. So, an or L, that is 10. Okay. So, we have to find the number of terms here. So, we know the terms here, but how many terms are there in between 34 and 10. So, to know that, so what we have to do, we have to write the nth term here, 10 is the nth term. So, write here an, instead of an we are writing 10 here, and remaining a and d substitute as it is. A is 34 and d is minus 2 here. Okay. Let us transpose this 34 to the LHS. So, that will become minus 10 minus 34 is equals to, let us multiply minus 2 with the n minus 1. So, n into minus 2, that is minus 2n, plus minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. 1 2s are 2, minus into minus plus. So, plus 2, and then we have to, this is 10 minus 34, that is minus 24, and on RHS minus 2n plus 2. Let us transpose this 2 to LHS, that will become minus 2, minus 24 minus 2 is equals to minus 2n. So, we know that minus 24 and minus 2 is a minus 26. So, here minus 2n is equals to minus 26. So, minus and minus will get cancelled. So, 2n is equals to 26 and n is equals to 26 by 2, that is n is equals to 13. So, we got n here. So, we can find Sn here. So, the number of terms are 13. So, let us substitute 13 here and we can find the 13 S13 here. S13 is equals to number of terms is 13, 13 by 2 A plus L. We are writing the second formula here, A plus L. Why we are writing here A plus L? We know the last term here, so make it easy, we are writing last term here. Okay, 13 by 2 A is 34 plus L is 10. So, by calculating this we will get S13 is equals to 286. So, in this manner you can solve first bit and second bit. Okay, thank you. Okay students, let us continue exercise 6.3 here. Let us see the third bit here. In an AP, so given A is equals to 5, B is equals to 3, AN is equals to 50, find N and Sn. So, this is what the question which is based upon third bit. So, among 5 values, 3 values will be given and 2 values we have to find here. So, what are the 3 values given here? A, D and AN are given. We have to find N and Sn. Sometimes N will be given, we have to find someone else. So, any 3 values will be given, any 2 we have to find here. So, as the earlier problem, this is also same with the second problem. See, we have to find Sn here. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What are the values given here? A is given, D is given, AN is given. Okay. So, n is not there. N is not there. To find the n here, we have to write the AN formula here. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. So, substitute A is equals to 50 here and write the values of A and d here. You can get n here. So, with the value of n, if you substitute n value in the Sn, you will get Sn here. Okay. So, this is what the problem 3. Okay. So, you can find only two formulas are there. We have only these 2 formulas. With the help of these 2 formulas, you can find any value that which we have to find here. Right. Let us go for the 7th bit here. Remaining 2 are easy. You can find there. So, let us see these. Show that A1, A2, A3 and so on AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. So, AN is given, nth term is given. With the help of nth term, we have to form arithmetic progression and then we have to write the arithmetic progression here. See, AN is equals to 3 plus 4n here. See, if you substitute n values, n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you write 1, you will get the first term. If you write 2, you will get the second term. If you write 3, you will get the third term. Okay. Let us substitute A is equals to 1 here. 3 plus 4 into 1. So, that is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. If you substitute 2 here, 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So, 3 plus 8, that is 11. If you substitute 3 here, 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 here. 3 plus 12, that is 15. So, the required AP is 7, 14, 11, 15 and so on. So, how this bit will be solved here, right? So, let us see the 9th problem here. The 9th problem is like this. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So, we have to find the sum of 40 numbers, first 40 numbers which are divisible by 6. So, to know that, first we have to write the arithmetic progression with the help of given hint. What is the hint given here? The numbers which are divisible by 6. First 40 numbers which are divisible by 6. We know the numbers first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. So let us write what is this is in a arithmetic progression. So that what we can get, we get first term here a is equals to 6 and d is also 6, and how many numbers are there? We have to find the first 40 numbers. So n is equals to 40 here. So by substituting a, d and n in a given formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by substituting in this, we will get the answer here. Okay, right.